Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Manage Apps, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and your device will of course inform you what it will do. So it will reset the preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.